So in this video, we're going to take a look at how are we going to store blob data. Usually people use S3 in case of AWS in order to store their images, files, etc. But in order for us to test it locally, we're going to use MinIO. So MinIO is a blob storage or an object storage that can be used on our local machine or deployed on a local machine, and it serves a similar purpose as S3, and the API that it provides for the Java is similar to that can be used on S3. So what we're going to do is deploy a Docker-based service on our server and write the application or use the Java client that MinIO provides for storing image profiles, files, etc. So if I go to my server, if we take a look at the Docker deployment of MinIO, so we will have only a one node server in this case. Okay, so it says that we'll be using the latest image of MinIO. That's the name of the server. The port that will be exposing for the Java client is 9000, and the 9001 will be used for a UI client that the MinIO provides, along with a username and the password to access the server, and a volume to store the data on the local machine, on the server. And if we start the server, let's say so, it says that the server has been started. And if I go to the location where the server is being hosted, so it will allow me to access the MinIO client. And let me enter the username and the password that we provided in the Docker compose file. So this gives me a UI which is almost similar to AWS S3. So we have a bucket, and within these buckets we have folders. So if we take a look at the post, we have folders in here. And let me delete this bucket. I can't find the location where we can delete the bucket, but anyways. I'll take a look at it later, but it provides a bucket folders along with the files that can be uploaded to it. And this is what we're going to use to upload our image files. Yeah, that's it for this video.